In the world of construction, every second counts. Delays, miscommunication, and scattered data can bring your projects to a halt. That's why DreamzCMMS is transforming field service management, bringing a mobile-first solution directly to your job site. Whether you're in the field or at the office, DreamzCMMS keeps your team connected in real time. Assign tasks, track progress, and update work orders, all from a single intuitive platform. Technicians can check in on site, access asset and job data instantly, report issues, and even collect payments without ever stepping into the office. With GPS-enabled location tracking, managers can optimize assignments based on worker proximity, saving time, fuel, and manpower. It's more than just convenience. It's a smarter, faster, and more efficient way to run your construction operations. DreamzCMMS. Field service made mobile, construction made smarter.